Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sabah Asif, and I am here for giving you a presentation on the topic Surah Hujurat. And there are 18 ayats in Surah Hujurat and two rukus. We will talk only first three ayats of Surah Hujurat. The first one is Ya ayyuhallazina amanu la tuqaddimu bayna yaday Allahi wa rasulihi wattaqullaha innallaha samiun alim. O you have O you who have believed, do not put yourself before Allah and His Messenger, but fear Allah. Indeed, Allah is hearing and knowing. So this ayah tell us about uh, that Muslims should not put their voices before Allah and His Messenger, and we have to follow Islamic rules and regulations. Today's Muslim says that we have our own lives, and it's our life. What should we do? What should we do with our lives? So Allah tells them. Allah says that this is not your life. This is the gift of Allah from Him to you. So you have to live your life according to the teaching of Islam, according to the rules and regulations of Islam. So so um, this is the duty of every Muslims to obey Allah and His Messenger, and not to put their voices against Allah and before Allah and His Messenger. This is our first ayat. Now the second one. One second. The second ayah is Ya ayyuhallazina amanu tarfa'u la tarfa'u أصواتكم فوق صوت النبي ولا تجهروا له بالقول كجهر بعضكم لبعض أن تحبط أعمالكم وأنتم لا تشعرون. O who you have believed, do not raise your voices above the voice of the Prophet, or be loud to him in speech like the loudness of some of you to others, lest your deeds become worthless while you perceive not. So this ayah tell us that uh, tell us that do not put your